Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your phone runs Android 9 or newer, otherwise update first. Once done, open Settings and go to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. You want to tap Focus Mode now and begin selecting the apps you want paused. These are the distractions you'll mute. This first step is the foundation. It tells the system which apps to block so notifications and interruptions stop during your focused work. Now customize. Add more apps or remove ones you still need, because tailoring keeps the mode useful. Make exceptions for priority apps or allow calls from specific contacts, and check the option to silence notifications. This controls what breaks your focus. Next, decide how to trigger focus mode. Set a schedule to auto-start at chosen times, or add the focus tile to quick settings so you can begin manually with one tap. That balance keeps it practical for real workflows. Finally, activate focus when you're ready. Use the quick settings tile or let the schedule kick in. You'll notice icons dimmed and notifications held. To finish a session, tap the tile or press end on screen. If you still get alerts, make sure you didn't grant that app notification permission or whitelist it as an exception. Also verify battery optimization or third-party lock screen apps aren't bypassing focus. If problems persist, restart the device and recheck digital well-being settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.